bitch went flying by me just a minute ago at about 90 miles an hour in freezing rain. And look where she's at, upside down in the motherfucking ditch. Stupid fuck. Completely inverted, totally upside down. There's another one, look at this. That's the guy that was pulling the trailer hauling ass. Stupid motherfuckers. Hey, if anybody out there is watching this, if it's 32 degrees outside and it's raining, slow the fuck down because you're going to end up off in the ditch just like those dumb motherfuckers.